I do want to say that iqhiya isinxibo sethu kwaXhosa, as I think about the journey now, and not just kwaXhosa, then I guess kuzo zonke groups zethu, tribal groups zethu, maXhosa, maZulu, Tswana, Pedi, all of us, our dress becomes a vessel through which history, knowledge, sensibilities, language. It becomes this object that holds all of those things together, gives them meaning. It places them to occasions. It gives people a sense of direction. It helps connect us to our spiritual selves. Something else I've come to discover, the spiritual significance in dress, and then how that all ties back to Isihlonipho, the language of respect. And when I bumped into these two different readers that have informed what Isihlonipho is in relation to Xhosa, the culture, the one reader tied it to the language of respect for women, and then the other reader by Utatu Bongela, that reader, Isihlonipho Sako, Isihlonipho kwaXhosa, I think is the reader. That one looks at Isihlonipho in the culture itself. So it's not limited to women, not limited to children. It is for everybody. The writer takes us through a journey of just how Isihlonipho moves with all of the different community members. Even amagqirha, what is Isihlonipho for amagqirha, etc., etc. So, yeah, like our forms, our ways of dressing, when we fashion ourselves, we really come to fashion so many things. And I come back to maybe the real driver behind, the real personal driver for me, while looking at these two forms of material culture. The real driver was for me to uncover as well, if like for us upper edolopini as urban Xhosas, how does our contemporary translation, or how do our reappropriations or redesigns, or you know what I'm saying, how do those things complicate or erase, unknowingly erase details to what we are? How do they unknowingly erase these mediums' power? So by that, what I mean is